you. I'm Dennis Soroka. I'm here on behalf of the Grand Traverse Area Manufacturing Council and the Northern Michigan Angels. I was here in September with a Hold the Date announcement for a manufacturing night at TC NewTek on November 1, and tonight I'm here with more information. So some of you may know that America's advanced industries are the leading engine of economic growth in our economy. It's the highest private sector research and development. They deliver the highest wages, and they've added 1 million jobs in this sector in the last 6 years. And our picture, frankly, in our region is the same as the national picture. So what are advanced industries? Well, technology, here tonight, manufacturing, oil and gas, and utilities. And increasingly common across all these sectors is the digital thread. Software, sensors, the Internet of Things, and the like. So a number of us, including Russ, Mike Rollo from RJG, been working on a themed night for TC NewTek the last couple of months to promote more dialogue between manufacturers and technologists. Imagine the value we could create if we can harness the tech talent in this region and unleash it to make manufacturers more competitive and create new businesses. That's the vision for Manufacturing Night at TC NewTek. So here's a preview. We're going to start with a description of the manufacturing sector in northern Michigan. Some of you may be surprised to know that there are actually more than 500 companies listed to do manufacturing in northern Michigan. And it's a diverse sector, everything from automotive to plastics to metals to t-shirts. We heard Tentcraft, they make event tenting, food processing, medical devices, laser optics, even racing suits. Now, 4 companies have volunteered to come forward and give you a closer look at their businesses and some of the challenges they're facing. They're listed up here. Just a couple of comments. Jerry Miller from LMT Systems and formerly Microline will talk about his journey in manufacturing. Mike Rollo from RJG is a global supplier of sensors. They'll be talking. Corey Gear is the chair of the Manufacturing Council and also the CFO of Shoreline Fruit and processes a lot of the fruit from northern Michigan. And Ken Scott from Bay Motor Products. Then we're going to have a discussion about digital manufacturing. What it is, why does it matter? You know, Siemens, which is a German-based global manufacturer, is quoted as saying, if you want to be a manufacturer these days, you have to have a software culture. Autodesk will be with us. They're a global developer of software for manufacturing, engineering, media, and entertainment. And DMDII, the Digital Manufacturing Design and Innovation Institute, will be sending somebody. They're one of the 8 private public education collaboratives created across the country to drive innovation in manufacturing. We'll hear a perspective of Jeff Gothrop from Grand Traverse Tool, who was just down in Chicago visiting the DMDII. And batting cleanup, we'll have Tim Nelson, president of Northwestern Michigan College. He's going to update us on the college's development of a $15 million innovation center that they're developing. And of course, we'll have our usual Q&A and networking. So it's a packed agenda. Could be a really terrific night, but that depends on you, and you, and you, and you, and your friends. So come and bring a friend. I'm going to close tonight with a short video by General Electric, a manufacturing company that most of us are familiar with. They make turbines, locomotives, medical equipment, jet engines. Now they are investing big in digital. And did you know that GE has over 3,000 developers writing code for a proprietary language to have all their machines talk to each other and drive improvement? So, Russ, how do I tee up this?
I like the annual report this year. I think it really does a great job of representing where GE is on our journey to really be a fantastic digital industrial company. What we're trying to do inside GE is we're trying to build a digital company inside an industrial company. And it's important. I mean, it's competitive, it's important, and it's working. And so I think we're always willing to disrupt ourselves if that's what it takes to be a really great company. Our products are now surrounded by sensors and controls that can pull a massive amount of data from a jet engine or from an MR scanner or from a gas turbine. We want to embrace both the physics of our product and the analytics and kind of say, why not us? So we challenge ourselves to really lead this revolution in productivity that's taking place. Culture is an essential part of our strategy. I've got a team of frontline managers inside GE that are my advisors as we go through this. And I've asked them to write in the report this year kind of an essay on what their GE looks like. We did a lot in 2015, the portfolio action.
So to wrap up, Jeff Immelt asked in that video, why not GE? Well, after November 1, maybe a question for all of us to ask will be, why not Northern Michigan? So see you on November 1.